Ready to unlock effortless payments on Whop by linking your PayPal account. First, navigate to your Whop dashboard and click on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, select Settings. Look for a section labeled Payouts or Payment Methods and click on it. Now, you should see a button or a clear link that says something like Connect PayPal or Add PayPal Account. Click on that. This will redirect you to a secure PayPal login page here. Enter the email address and password associated with your PayPal account. PayPal will then ask you to grant Whop permission to access certain information and process payments through your account. Once you've reviewed and accepted the permissions, you'll be redirected back to Whop. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your PayPal account has been successfully linked. Your connected PayPal account should now be visible in the Payouts or Payment Methods section, showing that the integration is complete.